Guys, I don't have a hard hat on, so I can't come in the area.
Right.
Told you. Hardworking guys. I don't know what you're doing, though. What are you doing? No idea what you're doing. Let me guess, put it in a telephone pole. Well, at least they're wearing their hard hats, so Inspector Moss has to go. Peace out, yo. Bye.